The act of squeezing a loved one's hand 3 times symbolizes I love you, serving as a nonverbal way to express affection when words may not be appropriate. In response, you can squeeze back 4 times to convey I love you too. This charming gesture has gained popularity on social media, particularly through the 3 squeeze rule, which often includes a kiss following the squeezes in romantic context. Originating from childhood interactions, the 3 squeezes can also stem from a phenomenon known as cute aggression, reflecting a deep emotional connection. Notably, this gesture was referenced in Taylor Swift's song New Year's Day and discussed by Jimmy Fallon, who shared his own memories of using it with his mother. Additionally, Jason Pratt's children's book, 3 Squeezes, emphasizes the various ways love can be expressed, showcasing the bond between a father and son through this simple, yet profound gesture.